This is question number 212. How many grams of hydrogen are needed to produce 1.0 grams of water according to this equation? So we have the equation. Okay, first thing we have to do is make sure that the equation is balanced. So we have 4 hydrogen. We have 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen. Since this is balanced, we can go ahead and order all of our information that we have. The best way to keep it in order for me is like this. Your first row is your molecular weight. Your second row is your grams. Your third row is your moles. So from the equation, we are given how many grams of hydrogen are needed to produce 1.80 grams of water. So we are given the grams of water, which would be 1.8 grams, and we need to go from grams of water to moles of water. From here, we need to go to moles of H2 to grams of H2. So we're trying to get right here. Okay? So first, we need to convert from grams to moles of H2O. So we need to get the molecular weight of H2O. And let's see, there are 2 hydrogen, which each weigh 1.01. And then we have 1 oxygen, which weighs 16. When we add that up, we get 18.02 grams. This is the weight of H2O. So we're going to do our conversion, which would be 1.8 grams of H2O over 1 mole over the 18.2 grams of H2O. This cancels. When we divide 1.8 by 18.02, we get 0.09 moles of H2O. And we go ahead and we put that here in order to keep our information in order. Okay, and now we need to do a mole to mole conversion from water to H2. So we need to see the relationship between the two. Here we see that for every water molecule there are 2 hydrogen. So, and this would be the number in front, the coefficient right in front of on the equation. So we're going to set it up as 0.09 moles of H2O over 2 moles of H2, 2 moles of H2O. So we see from here 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it's actually a 1-to-1 ratio. This is just to show where I was able to get these numbers. So we're able to get, since this is 1, this is also going to be 0.09 moles, but now of H2. So now we have to go from moles to grams. In order to do that, we have to get the molecular weight of H2, which would be 2.02. Since each hydrogen molecule weighs 1.01, we just multiply that by 2, which is 2.02. And now we have to go from, that's 2.02 grams. And that's going to be now grams. So we do 0.09 moles over 2.02 grams, which is the weight that we just got right now, in order to cancel moles. And when you multiply 0.9 times 2.02, you get 0.2 grams of H2, which is what we needed. So When we go back to our answers, our answer would be C.